The Dustless Blasting machine is crafted to complete any job, wet or dry. This equipment allows you to assess every project individually and determine which process should be used to get the best results. So let's go over different scenarios where you might need to wet blast versus dry blast. Take marinas, for example. Dustless blasters can restore boats on a dock without having to be totally contained. Homeowners can have paint removed from their brick without dusting out their neighbors. Auto body shops and restoration professionals get the benefit of the water actually reducing the heat that traditional sandblasting creates, which can cause metal to warp. Dry blasting is a great option when a job calls for the use of organic material, since most organic materials float in water. One example would be blasting a log cabin. That may call for media like walnut shells or corn cob, and dry blasting is the way to go. Dry blasting is also the right method for when you have soluble abrasives such as soda, which can be used for smoke damage restoration. Another use of dry blasting is for the inside of cars, chassis, where there are tight nooks and crannies that can be difficult to clean out. There is a time and a place for both wet and dry blasting. With the Dustless Blaster, you can feel confident that you're prepared for either with one machine.